Unboxing gadgets, toys, and games. But what if your future's the prize that you claim? Inside your mind there's a spark to ignite ideas that can brighten the world with their light. Unalter potential, unlock what you know. With every new question your confidence grows. Explore all the wonders, curiosity guide. The answers you seek are already inside. Science is asking the questions that grow. Technology builds things we all want to know. Engineers dream up the bridges and planes. Artists add color and math gives them frames. Unalter potential, invent something new. The power to build is inside of you. Create and design, let your big dreams expand. Your vision can shape the whole world by your hands. Open the box, your potential is real. Each problem you tackle, each challenge you feel. From coding a robot to mixing a test, you're building a future where you'll do your best. Unalter potential, discover the way. The world needs your brilliance to shine every day. From stars in the sky to the earth down below, there's magic in learning, so let your mind grow. Don't just watch, be the one who creates. Explore the unknown and unlock the gates. Your talents are waiting, they're yours to reveal. With steam in your hands, there's no limit to zeal. Unbox your potential, let curiosity lead. Discover the courage, the skills that you need. Your journey's beginning, the future is new. Your next big discovery starts inside you.